Okay, it's been a while since I've posted a video on this car. It's kind of a side project car, and it sat outside all winter long, so I haven't had a chance to work on it. But obviously, as you can see, I stripped the entire interior out because it needed it. It's full of mouse and whatever else, and it's starting to smell a little bit better. So I'm going to get it all cleaned up and get it put back in here. It actually wasn't in terribly bad shape, but it still just needs the good cleaning, and I still have to vacuum it out a few more times, leave the doors open, let it air out some more. The one nice thing about having the dash out and everything was I could get at the power brake booster really easy, which it needed. The brakes would hold down. So just a quick little update. Oh yeah, and the trunk is gutted out too, the carpet and whatnot, and that's actually, just put that in the washing machine and it's cleaning up really nice. Here's the headliner, obviously. It is not the fiberglass one like most of them had, which I think is a little bit weird. It's a cardboard one, and it's hard to tell. Maybe you can see. Yeah, you can kind of. It's got a warp in it. It's been hanging down for so long. I don't know if I'm going to use this one yet or not, because I really don't want it warped, kind of a little bit down. It should be puckered the other direction. And as you can see, the mice chewed a couple holes in there. So I'm just not sure if I'm going to use this, or I've got a fiberglass one upstairs, wrong color, but I'm going to fix that no matter what anyway. And this is what I'm going to go with. I wanted something that had a little sparkle to it, but I don't know if I should put a Christmas pattern up on the headliner. That seems a little bit weird. So I think I'm just going to run this material inside out, because that's really close to the color of the stuff that came out of there. And I just get this at a sewing store. I glue it on, and it's great. I've done it to a dozen other cars with headliners, and they turn out fine. And then between the headliner and the roof, I glue some quilt batting up to the roof for sound insulation, because there's always some up there, and usually by the time you take a headliner out, that stuff is gone or decayed enough to the point. So a little thing like that can make a big difference in a car.